First, you need to log into your LDS account.
The skies are filled with gray. The Savior's calling to
You have to type in your username and then your password.
voice. We've heard it before. We know the words he says. He is the light. We'll follow him to the end. Though fires may burn and storms may rage,
Then once logged in,
we'll find our way back home. We will trust in the Lord.
you will be able to see your account name. You have to open the FSY website using the link shown in the screen.
We will trust in the Lord. We won't be blinded by the rain. The path we're on is clear.
Okay, and then third step would be you have to click sign in to register button. Then it will lead you to your LDS account.
Lifts up our weary souls. He is the light and will never be. Will never
Then you have to click register as participant,
and storms may
either as a youth participant or a counselor. Then once you are already in the next screen, you have to type in or include the required information, such as your contact details, specifically your phone number and your email address. Then afterwards, you need to include also your parents' information, their name, either your father or mother, and then his or her email, and as well as phone number.
tears may fall and friends may leave. We see his light and that's where we will go. We will trust in the Lord. We will trust in the Lord. We will trust in the Lord.
Then you have to confirm your residence, and for you to be able to be prepared in the registration, you need to take note of your medical information as well as your dietary information. You can have this from your respective parents for youth participants.
We'll follow him to the end.
And also you have to indicate your preferred t-shirt size.
When darkness comes, we'll find our
And then you have to just click next, and then you have to review and agree with the standards of conduct and terms of conditions
and friends may leave.
by clicking the indicated links.
Where we will go, we will trust in the Lord. We will trust in the Lord.
And once done, just hit the register button, and then you're done. Congratulations.